Good governance is the foundation of every successful business. It guides how companies make decisions, treat people, and serve their customers. Today, we take a closer look at Happy Hamster Food Hub and how good governance helps build a strong and trusted brand. At Happy Hamster Food Hub, good governance begins with clear rules and ethical leadership. Employees follow proper food safety standards, transparent procedures, and fair workplace practices. These principles ensure consistency, quality, and accountability in everyday operations. By prioritizing honesty and responsibility, Happy Hamster Food Hub earns customers' trust. When customers receive quality service and safe food, they develop confidence in the brand. This trust strengthens the company's reputation and encourages long-term loyalty. Good governance also extends beyond the business. Happy Hamster Food Hub practices social responsibility by supporting local suppliers, using eco-friendly packaging, and contributing positively to the community. These actions reflect the brand's commitment to society and sustainable growth. In conclusion, good governance plays a vital role in realizing the full potential of corporate brands. Through transparency, accountability, and social responsibility, Happy Hamster Food Hub continues to build a positive reputation and lasting trust among its customers.